This is another update that I've done a research on that I came across with that I want to share with you people. So it's a new update that is going to end very soon and is going to be won by four number of people that will be picked randomly. Okay, so it's not everybody that is going to get this account. It's going to be a lucky draw and it's going to be given to only four people. So just try your luck. I promise everybody must get account on this Christmas season because I love you people very well and I support whatever that you are doing to me by subscribing to my channel and sharing my video as well. So if you are new on my channel, remember to subscribe. This is one family that we treat it as, and then it's for a Forex family at one. So without wasting time, just subscribe to the channel if you are interested in know the possible bonus free funded account and Forex tutorials and anything that you want me to record a video on, just let me know at the comment section. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel. That is why I share every link. So let's get started with today's one. So in today's video, you are going to win a free 5K account that you can use to start trading the forex market, and only four people is going to win this. It's a lucky draw. And remember, it's a demo account. All prop firm deal with demo accounts. It's never a real money that you can withdraw. That is very important to take note of. You only need to trade, and when you meet the requirements set by the prop firm or a broker, then you get rewarded. So bear in mind, this is not a real fund. It's a free demo 5K account. That is how I call it, in my opinion. Other people can call it real funded account, but to me, it's a demo or stimulated capital that every program used to give. Okay, so let's get started. So I will take you to my Discord server. Okay, so in the Discord server, this was the announcement. It's a partnership announcement by Trade Cloud. Okay, Trade Cloud. So I'll be sharing every link in the Telegram channel. I will not put it under the video description. When you go under the video description, you will see my Telegram page link and my recommended broker if you want to trade on a live account. I have a recommended broker which is legit and regulated by whatever countries they find themselves. Okay, so you just need to join the Telegram channel and you access the Discord link straight to the giveaway. So there's a giveaway announcement. We have partnered with Global Capital. Okay, so Global X Capital. Global X Capital is a proof firm. Okay, they're in the industry for a while now and they are doing well as well. So what I'm doing is only show you the information provided publicly so that you can also go and do research on. So when you come to the Discord server, you can also do research on it as well and read everything about the giveaway. So their trading server offer. So they offer weekly live trading season, trading psychology podcast, Saturday quiz game with prize, and EXP activity reward and monthly contest for active members. So these are the available things that they used to do on their server. And then four lucky winners will be selected from those who join using my referral link. So the referral link that they are talking about, I'll provide it in the Telegram channel. When you just go to my Telegram channel, just look at this video post and then you will see it below it. So quickly, when we scroll down to read the Rex. So join by, okay, join and be ready. So this is the link provided. So when you join with this referral link, they are going to run a random selection and pick four people and give this free 5K account to. It's very, very important. Okay, so spin will be happen today after 5:30. Okay, so this is very, very simple to do. This is very, very simple to do. Just go straight and join, and then you'll win. So when you're watching this video a day after I upload it, then remember this giveaways has expired because they're going to run it and then necessary the same day. So that is why I recommend every single person to join my Telegram channel and also the you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that when I upload videos that have a limited time of the giveaway, you can get your hand at it at the very possible time and claim those accounts. So see you guys tomorrow on another update. I love you guys all. Just support me by subscribing and liking and share this video as well. Goodbye.